Welcome back. I'm Dr. Noah Volz, and today we'll be learning how to do the suboccipital stretch. This is a great stretch if you've been working on the computer for too long or scrolling on your cell phone for too many hours. Go ahead and interlace the fingers and bring them back behind you, placing the hands onto the base of the skull at the back of the neck. Then gently tuck your chin in until you feel some length through the back of the neck and pull up with the hands, getting even more length through the top part of the neck. Hold this for about 15 seconds and then release. You can repeat this 10 times and do up to 3 sets of this exercise in order to help with the tension in the base of the skull. These exercises will help you have a stronger, more flexible neck. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.